Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. I hope you remember everything that you have learned in previous lesson. You can always watch the previous video by clicking the link and revise again. Alright, now let's begin with our today's lesson. So let's learn to say the name of this color in Urdu. So in English it is black and in Urdu kala. Kala, kala, black, kala. Repeat many times for practice, okay? Alright, now let's learn to say some vocabulary words. Let's learn to say go in Urdu. In English, we say go, and in Urdu, jao. Go, jao, jao, jao. Then in English, we say come, come, and in Urdu, आओ, आओ, come, आओ. Then we say let's go, and in Urdu it is आओ चलें, आओ चलें, आओ चलें. Let's go. Now let's repeat these words one more time. In English we say go, and in Urdu जाओ, जाओ. Then in English we say come, and in Urdu आओ, आओ. Then in English we say let's go, and in Urdu आओ चलें, आओ चलें, आओ चलें. Repeat and practice, okay? So we say, where are you? I hope you remember how to say that in Urdu. Where are you? In Urdu, आप कहाँ हो? आप कहाँ हो? Then we reply and say, I am here. I hope you remember this one too. In Urdu it is, मैं यहाँ हूँ. मैं यहाँ हूँ. I am here. मैं यहाँ हूँ. But if you are telling exactly where you are, then you say, for example, you are in the room and you are saying, I am in the room. So in Urdu it would be, मैं कमरे में हूँ. मैं कमरे में हूँ. I am in the room. मैं कमरे में हूँ. Room is kamra. Alright? You can always replace room with any place that where you are. For example, you are in the kitchen or in the school or in the garden. You can simply say that I am in the kitchen, I am in the garden, I am in school, and in the Urdu it would be मैं किचन में हूँ, मैं स्कूल में हूँ, मैं garden में हूँ. Do you understand? So basically you are going to change the name of the place where you are. Rest of the sentence is going to be the same. I am in the room. मैं कमरे में हूँ और मैं किचन में हूँ और मैं स्कूल में हूँ. All right? Practice. All right? So here, this is the end of our today's lesson. I will see you with next lesson, inshallah. Repeat and practice more, alright? Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.